Mercedes just killed off two of their most beloved coupes and replaced them with one car. Was this a massive mistake or brilliant strategy? Today, I'm taking a close look at the 2025 Mercedes CLE Coupe to find out if this controversial replacement actually delivers. What if I told you there's a luxury coupe that delivers 375 horsepower, goes 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds, yet still returns 33 miles per gallon? You'd probably think I'm talking about some futuristic hybrid, but I'm actually describing the Mercedes CLE 450 Coupe. Mercedes made a bold move by axing both the C-Class and E-Class coupes and combining their DNA into this single model. The CLE isn't just lazy badge engineering though. This is a completely new platform sized between its predecessors that aims to capture the sporting spirit of the C-Class with the luxury refinement of the E-Class. Let's talk design first because this thing is absolutely stunning. Mercedes nailed the proportions here. The CLE sits lower and wider with a long hood flowing into a sleek roofline. Those LED headlights are sharp and modern, while the side profile has this elegant sweep that screams expensive. Around back, you get distinctive taillights that immediately identify this as a modern Mercedes. Step inside, and you're greeted by the same dashboard architecture as the C-Class, but with upgraded materials. That massive 11.9-inch vertical touchscreen dominates the center console running the latest MBUX infotainment system. Response time is lightning fast and graphics are crisp and modern. Now let's address the elephant in the room. This interior is almost entirely controlled by touchscreens and touch-sensitive buttons. Even steering wheel controls are touch-sensitive, which means you might accidentally activate something just by gripping the wheel. If you prefer physical buttons, this might drive you crazy. The front seats, though, are phenomenal. They're wrapped in premium Nappa leather with standard heating, ventilation, and massage functions. These are some of the most comfortable seats I've experienced in any luxury coupe with spot-on driving position and good visibility for a two-door car. Under the hood, the CLE comes with two main engines. The base CLE 300 packs a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder making 255 horsepower. The real star is the CLE 450 with its turbocharged 3-liter inline-six, pumping out 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Both feature mild hybrid technology and standard all-wheel drive. This 6-cylinder rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds, putting it in sports car territory while still managing 23 city and 33 highway miles per gallon. On the road, the CLE prioritizes comfort over outright sportiness, and that's not necessarily bad. The suspension soaks up imperfections beautifully while maintaining composure through corners. This isn't trying to be a BMW M4 competitor, and that's okay because it excels at being a refined Grand Touring coupe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.